Hello dears, cheerful morning and greetings of the day. Today's topic is article writing. What is an article? An article is a non-fictional writing. Non-fictional means real or true. Expression of individuals' thoughts on an issue or a theme or a social concern. If we get a platform to describe or express our views, it gives you more confidence and happiness to ourselves, isn't it? Yes, true. This is the place you can explore your ideas, remedies, concerns, and solutions in your own words to the whole society. So, it should be returned in an interesting manner and readers' attention. Brainstorming. Note down as many ideas as you can about the given topic. Then, arrange the ideas in a sequence. Before writing the article, it is important to consider what is the aim of the article, the style of language and level of the article should be kept in mind. Ideas should be carefully organized into paragraphs. Appropriate vocabulary and language should be used. Format of an article writing. Heading or topic, byline, preface, body of the contents, introductory paragraph, develop the content, compare and contrast technique, conclusion, reference. Now you have an idea about format. Tips to write an effective article. Heading. It tells us what the article is about. It should be eye-catching. It should give a crisp idea of the theme. So, dear students, based on this, you mention the title name. Byline. It is having the writer's name. It is essential. It is nothing but name of the writer. It means your name. Preface. Preliminary or introductory statement. Explain why the author chose to write. Reveal their motivation and inspiration. Describe the process of researching. Outline the process of writing. Body of the contents. Explanation about the article. It has 3 subdivisions. Introductory paragraph, develop the content, compare and contrast technique. Introductory paragraph. It should catch attention. It should create interest. It should have clear and precise language. It's all about based on the topic. Develop the content. We can use facts, examples and logical arguments, causes and effects, merits and demerits of the topic can be included. Compare and contrast technique. Here you can explore your point of views or examples to justify your viewpoint. Conclusion. Summarize your views. Offer suggestions and solutions. Now you may have a clear idea about to write an article. Reference. Reference means someone or something which is a source of information about an article. Basic format for reference is given here. author name, the surname is followed by first initials, year of publication, article title, journal title, volume of journal, issue number of journal, page range of article. Here I wish to give a formula for any writing. General tips for writing skills. Coder. C. Collect your ideas. O. Organize your ideas. D. Draft your ideas. E. Edit your ideas. And or review your ideas. Keep these hints in your mind and endeavor to develop your writing skills. Activity for you: pollution and solution. I hope this will be very interesting topic to all. Do prepare well and submit your report through our LMS portal assignment section. Thank you.